In this section, we will look at how to install dynamic power control. First of all, you need to connect the slave to the e-charger's master board via a category 6 RG45 Ethernet cable. Next, you need to locate the phase that supplies the wall installation and connect the clamp emitter. Normally, this is a gray, black or brown supply from the emitter. In a case of a 3-phase installation, you must use your 3 clamps and fix all the cable previously exposed. It's very important to remember that the sensor must cover the total phase in order to read the energy of the wall installation, the house plus the e-charger. After all this, you need to connect the sensor to the black electronic box. Position 1, 2 and 3 correspond to the house connection. Position 4, 5 and 6 correspond to the photovoltaic production. Therefore, if the installation is single phase, connect only the phase in position 1. If this is a 3-phase, connect the phases in 1, 2 and 3. If the equipment is single phase in a photovoltaic system, connect 1 corresponding to the home and 4 corresponding to the photovoltaic system. In this case, of a 3-phase photovoltaic system, connect 1, 2 and 3 corresponding to the home and 5, 4 and 6 corresponding to the photovoltaic system.